Hello, welcome to Sussex Tech. My name is Dr. Kevin Carson, and I am the proud superintendent of the Sussex County Vocational Technical School District. While these are certainly interesting times, we must continue to move forward. I applaud you, your parents, and guardians for considering the option of enrolling here at Sussex Tech. By becoming a Raven, you join the tradition of students who have learned valuable vocational trades and important life skills. The options are many. 17 quality career technical areas taught by highly skilled teachers and work-based learning opportunities. Also in support of our technical areas are great academic teachers who prepare students for their career choice or college options. We offer great student organizations, strong athletic programs, and many extracurricular programs for our students to choose from. Our staff provides extensive student support, specializing in career and academic planning. Making the choice to become part of the Raven Nation is an important one. We believe the lifetime opportunities available, combined with our caring staff, make Sussex Tech a great choice. I look forward to meeting you in person soon. We will do our absolute best to make your high school years memorable, productive, and fun. Take care, be safe, go Ravens.
Greetings, parents and students. My name is Dr. John Demby, proudest principal in the state of Delaware and the principal here at Sussex Technical High School. Today, I would like to share with you some of the benefits of receiving a career in technical education. Can you imagine graduating high school, going right into a career? Can you imagine graduating high school and being able to earn a wage high enough where you can begin saving for a house? Can you imagine graduating high school and going into a career field and not having any type of financial aid debt? Those are opportunities that we can present to you here at Sussex Tech. Here's how. We have 17 technical areas. All 17 technical areas give students an opportunity to earn the skills and the knowledge to sit for a state-approved or a industry-approved certification exam or license exam. Our teachers work tirelessly over a 3-year period to prepare you to do your personal best on those exams. We also have some courses that complement our technical areas. One of those courses that complement our technical areas is our new welding program. Okay, it's not a full-fledged technical area. However, it's a technical related course that you can take to support you in your technical areas. We also have a new career seminar program course that we would like to present to you. It will help those students who are career-minded to learn more about the career that they would like to choose and continue to pursue that with the assistance of us here at Sussex Tech. And last but not least, reading is fundamental, and we understand that and we know the power of it. That being said, we now have a technical reading program to assist you in maximizing your performance on those certifications or license exam, as well as each and every year you're in your technical classes. Now the academic. Academically, we are still offering our AP classes. We still offer our dual enrollment opportunities, okay? And all of our students at Sussex Tech, at the general level, our general level courses are all at the college prep level, which means graduating from Sussex Tech, you have an opportunity at a high quality diploma, which means you are receiving a high quality education. So again, I encourage you to ask those questions as you go into the next phase of our virtual open house. I also would like to share with you just some kind of tidbits about some accomplishments we have accomplished here at Tech. First, I'd like to let you know, for those of you that would like to go to college, we have earned over a 3-year period in average of over $20 million in scholarship funds. So the way I say it, folks, with a certification, you'll never have to worry about minimum wage with a certification or a license. With a high quality diploma, you not only can go to college, but you can also pay your way through college if you don't earn one of those scholarships. Not a bad deal, right? So don't take my word for it. I'm going to encourage you to ask questions from our teachers, our technical instructors. What we have designed for you today is our Zoom sessions. We have 10 sessions going every 15 minutes with a 5-minute break between each session. Parents can enter at the time of the session, that when it starts, and then they can leave at whenever they feel like they're ready to leave to try to get into another session. But those opportunities are for you to ask questions. Ask questions to our technical teachers. All 17 areas are going to be represented. It's an opportunity for you to ask for our academic teachers. All the core academic subject areas are going to be represented. You can ask questions around athletic programs if you're interested in sports. You can ask questions of our transportation supervisor, because we are a county-wide school. You can find out about how we do transportation here at Sussex Tech. And you can also ask questions of our student activities coordinator to find out things that we do in student life. For example, in our student life, we have career and technical student organizations. We call them CTSOs. For example, that's FFA, BPA, Skills USA, HOSA, and Educators Rising for those future teachers out there. So again, I want you to encourage you to ask questions. I've given you a brief highlight. We have a PowerPoint coming up for you. We have a video for you. And like I said, we have 23 areas that's going to be represented in Zoom sessions where you can go in and have 10 opportunities to ask as many questions as you want. Folks, I thank you for joining us today. I hope you get all your questions answered. And if you don't, you can always email me at john.demby@sussexvt.k12.de.us. You guys have a great day. Go Ravens.
Hello, prospective students and parents. It's Mr. Persolio in the Admissions and Guidance Department at Sussex Tech. We took a few minutes to put together our PowerPoint that we would normally show at open house with a voiceover to help you guys kind of understand some of the things we do here. I hope you guys all enjoy it. At this point, I would like to introduce you to the counselors at Sussex Tech. The counseling load is broke down by last name, as you can see on the screen, and they stay with your son or daughter for all 4 years. So whether you're an 8th grade student or the parent of an 8th grade student, you have some choices and some decisions to make about high school. So hopefully in these next few slides, we can give you a little information about the award-winning Sussex Tech High School. So whether it's the student's dream to go straight to work with the certifications we provide, onto a community college, a 4-year college, or the military, we provide all the options here at Sussex Tech. We have 17 different areas of study here at Sussex Tech. During the freshman year, the student will get to explore 6 different tech areas, spending about 4.5 weeks in each class, and at the end of the 3rd marking period, they choose their area of study. The next 6 slides you're going to see go into more detail of all the 17 different tech areas and the types of certifications they can earn in each one of the tech areas. Sussex Tech is committed to a robust work-based learning program where students get out into the field of study and get a chance to get some hands-on experience their senior year. If you have interest in knowing more about our work-based learning program, please contact Donna Troyer. She is in charge of our work-based learning program. Sussex Tech is very proud of its award-winning band, the Raven Nation. For our musical students, we also offer choir as an elective. Now to mention some of the other courses we offer here at Sussex Tech, we have the dual credit enrollment options through Delaware Tech. We have AP courses, our advanced placement courses. We offer Spanish as a foreign language. We have 17 other related technical courses that go together with our technical areas. We also now have opened back up our welding shop. Due to the high demand nationally and locally for needing skilled workers in welding, we're trying to help meet that need. Sussex Tech High School has partnered with Delaware Technical and Community College to put together a very nice dual enrollment section of classes that students here at Sussex Tech can take. It's a great partnership. It can be taught by either our faculty here in person, or maybe they take the class with the flexibility online through Del Tech teachers. Students can still be enrolled in advanced placement programs as they do this, but it really gives them a chance. For example, like if you're a health profession student and you're thinking about nursing, it's great to get your midterm and your nutrition classes out of the way while you're still here at Sussex Tech earning high school and college credits at the same time. Sussex Tech students work hard, and it shows in the scholarship dollars they've earned over the past few years. Through a partnership with La Red, Sussex Tech is happy to offer the Wellness Center here. It's a great place for students to get their physical exams for sports done, any health screenings, immunizations they may need. Again, this is an optional thing that parents may decide to join. Through our 17 technical areas, Sussex Tech participates in career technical student organizations. These are broken down into such things as HOSA, Skills USA, BPA, FFA, and Educators Rising. We are very proud of how our students have done in these competitions over the years and brought home many national winners. Sussex Tech is a fully encompassing high school. Ms. Sherry Smith runs our Student Activities Department, which leads to things like our student government, dances, proms, homecoming. We also have a very well-known drama club that puts on some awesome plays. The next 3 slides you will see will talk about sports here at Sussex Tech, and they're broken down by season: fall sports, winter sports, and spring sports. Transportation is pretty easy. We cover the whole county for pickup and drop-off. The only exception is we can't go into Kent County and we can't go into Maryland. We also offer activity buses. These buses are for after school when students have stayed for band or stayed for tech academic coaching. Maybe they need some extra help, or they stayed for sports. And now these buses go back to a town. They don't take them home per se, but they'll go drop off in a town close to your house. For an 8th grade student to apply to Sussex Tech, they must go to the DE School Choice Application website, which is the one that houses the applications for all Delaware high schools or all Delaware Choice schools. Create an account. Please save the password. Please put your email in there. And what will happen is you will receive an email confirmation when you're done and once you've submitted. And that way you'll know that you have correctly submitted your application in. There's no report card needed. Just a very important reminder that the application deadline is January 13th, 2021. All applications must be in before that date. At that point, the window will close and the applications will no longer be available. In late January, the Data Service Center will conduct the lottery. You'll be notified normally through email of your acceptance, or if you're placed on the waiting list. For those accepted, you have until Friday, March 19th to go back on to the Delaware School Choice website, to the account that you created, and either accept or deny. Students are brought off the waiting list as students deny late spring, early summer. Sussex Tech follows the strict state guidelines on siblings. Siblings must apply and also must meet the grade requirements, which means getting promoted to the 9th grade for them to be able to take their spot. At this point, we've reached the end of the presentation. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact us in the admissions department at the number and email listed below. Thank you.